This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete contacts from WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Managing your WhatsApp contacts is essential for maintaining an organized and efficient communication experience. Over time, you might accumulate contacts that are no longer relevant, leading to a cluttered contact list. So this video will show you how to delete contact from your WhatsApp. So if you have contact on WhatsApp and but if you check on your contact on your phone, there's no there's that the contact is won't appear like this. There's no the number, it won't appear on your phone. But if you check on your WhatsApp, here's the contact. Now you want to delete it. How to do it? It's very simple. So first, of course, you have to open our WhatsApp. After that, you can search for that contact that you want to delete. This one. You can open it. Now you want to delete it. You can tap on the three dots over here on the bottom right here. You see there's an option to delete it. There's only report bulk at the shortcut, but you want to block it. You only want to delete it. You can just open the profile of this contact like this. Now you can tap on the three dots over here on the bottom right here. Choose on edit. Choose on the three dots over here and choose on delete contact. Now you can just choose on delete. So now you have delete that contact from your WhatsApp. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete contacts from WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.